Friends, so previous classes completed relation and function. Now start next chapter, trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. So first term is angles. Everybody know what is angle? That is one initial line and other terminal line. Suppose this is a x-axis and this one is y-axis, origin. So this x-axis is called horizontal line. Here this horizontal line, and y is called vertical line, and this is the symbol of angle. This is the symbol of angle. This angle is made by two ray or two line segments, OA and OB. In these two line segments, one line segment is called initial line or initial ray. Suppose this is a ray, then OB and OA, two ray. In these two ray, one ray is called initial ray and other is called terminal ray, any one. So we suppose this OB is initial ray, initial line or initial ray, and this OA is called terminal ray. Terminal here ray, terminal ray. So angle between these two ray measure along, that is measure from initial ray to terminal ray. इसका यदि हम एंगल का डायरेक्शन पूछे मेजरमेंट का, सो मेजरमेंट टू दिस एंगल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम इनिशियल रे टू टर्मिनल रे. From initial to terminal, that is this angle in anti-clockwise direction, and in anti-clockwise direction that angle is called in positive direction. That is angle measurement from initial line to terminal line, then this is called positive direction. From this direction, that is from initial to terminal, that is anti-clockwise, this is called positive direction. And in positive direction angle be positive, that is clockwise direction. This is called positive direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. This is called anti-clockwise direction. And in angle which is anti-clockwise direction, that angle is called positive direction. So this is anti-clockwise, so it is called positive direction. Similarly, clockwise angle is called negative direction, that is angle be negative. So angle measure from initial line to terminal line, that angle is a positive direction. That is anti-clockwise. Angle measure in anti-clockwise is called positive direction, and angle measure in clockwise direction is called negative angle. Suppose this is an initial line, here point suppose OB, point suppose here OA. Angle measure this direction, and this direction is called clockwise direction, हम स्टार्टिंग क्या बताए, एंगल मेजर करनी है फ्रॉम इनिशियल टू टर्मिनल लाइन। स्टार्टिंग करेंगे इनिशियल लाइन से टू टर्मिनल लाइन एंड चेक दैट डायरेक्शन इज clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. When angle measure in clockwise direction, then that angle is called negative direction, that is negative angle. And when angle measure in anti-clockwise direction, then that angle is positive direction, that is positive value. So this angle, that is here angle BOA or AOB, here AB is initial line, this is initial line, and OA is a terminal line. Then angle measure from OB to OA, and this angle is a clockwise direction, so this angle be negative. ये angle होगा negative, but this angle एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन। और एंगल मेजर कहाँ से स्टार्ट करनी है, फ्रॉम इनिशियल टू टर्मिनल, एंड चेक दैट what is the direction of that angle. If direction is anti-clockwise, then angle be positive, direction be clockwise, then angle be negative. So this is the measurement. So this angle AOB is negative direction, this is positive. So next degree measure, you know degree measure, here 1 degree, this is symbol read as degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, this is read as minute, 60 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. This is the relation between degree and minute, this is read as minute, 60 minute. Now degree measure, or you know radian measure. What is radian measure? रेडियन मेजर, रेडियन मेजर, सपोज दिस इज ए यूनिट सर्कल, और एनी सर्कल सपोज कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर सपोज किया हम यूनिट सर्कल मीन्स रेडियस इज 1। आप सर्कल एनी सर्कल सपोज कर सकते हो, सर्कल एनी सपोज कर सकते हैं। सपोज एनी सर्कल सपोज कर लिए, हुज रेडियस इज r, या रेडियस सपोज कर लिए r, दैट इज OA रेडियस इज इक्वल टू r. नाउ टेक एन आर्क फ्रॉम A इज इक्वल टू रेडियस दैट इज OA. तो आर्क पे कंपास से मेजर कर लीजिए आर्क ये OA, एंड कट फ्रॉम A to B, suppose this is point B, and length of arc AB is equal to क्या सपोज किए हैं R. This is read as length of arc AB equal to R. That is, if length of arc is equal to radius, to join OB, now this angle, suppose theta, this angle is made by arc AB, this angle is made by arc AB, so that angle is called 1 radian. 1 radian means the angle made by arc at the center whose length of arc is equal to radius, then this angle is called 1 radian. So radian angle, that is 1 radian. 1 radian, that is the angle made by arc whose length is equal to the angle made by arc at the center. The angle made by arc at the center of a circle whose length is equal to radius is called 1 radian. That is the angle made by arc at the center whose length of arc is equal to radius, then that angle is called 1 radian. So here angle AOB is made by arc AB whose length is equal to radius. So this angle is called 1 radian. 1 radian. This is called 1 radian. And the relation between, suppose this is a circle, OA radius, suppose R, and this is AB any arc, suppose AB any arc, and length of arc AB suppose L, and this angle be suppose theta radian. This is angle in radian form. That is, if length of arc AB is equal to L, this is it as length of arc AB is equal to L, angle theta, radius R. So now find the relation between theta, L and R. Since when length of arc is whole, that is circumference, when length of arc is circumference, then what is the angle made by that circumference at the center? That is, in that case, that is a whole angle. Suppose length of arc is whole circle, ये सपोज किए थीटा, आप आर्क बढ़ा दो, यहाँ सपोज किए एंगल इंक्रीज किया और आर्क बढ़ा रहे हैं, एंगल इंक्रीज करेंगे, होल सर्कल सपोज करिए, देन होल सर्कल मेक एंगल center of this circle is equal to 2 pi, that is 360 degree, that is circumference, whole length, that is circumference. So when length of circumference, that is length of arc, is 2 pi r, then what is the angle at the center? Is 2 pi, that is 360 degree. When the length of arc is equal to circumference, then the angle at the center is equal to what? Length of arc क्या सपोज किए हैं? Whole circle, that is circumference. Then angle made by that circumference at the center, that is this whole angle. आप इतना आर्क सपोज किए हो, यह एंगल हुआ, आर्क को बढ़ा देंगे, एंगल और बढ़ जाएगा, पूरे आर्क सपोज कर लो, ये पूरा एंगल बन गया. And whole angle is what? 360 degree, that is 2 pi. So angle is 2 pi. So when length of arc, length of whole circle, that is length of arc is 2 pi r. So therefore when length of arc is 2 pi r, whole circumference, that is 2 pi r, then angle is equal to 2 pi. Therefore when length of arc is 1, then what is the angle? Then angle is 2 pi upon 2 pi r. Therefore the angle of the length of arc is L. Use unitary method. Length of arc suppose कर लिए 1, तो एंगल डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So angle is 2 pi upon 2 pi r. When length of arc is L, use unitary method, then angle is 2 pi upon 2 pi r into L. So this is the angle at the center when length of arc is L, and here suppose theta is the angle at the center when length of arc is L. So this is equal to value is theta, that is theta is equal to 2 pi upon 2 pi r into L. This 2 pi cancel, so theta is equal to L by r. This is the relation between theta, L and r. इस तीनों में से कोई 1 2 वैल्यू गिवन होंगे, थर्ड वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे. और यू रिमेंबर द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा इन द रेडियन, रेडियन दैट इज in terms of pi, 2 pi, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, like as, that is theta is in radian. Okay. So now relation between radian and degree measure. Relation between here whole angle, that is 2 pi, and whole, that is 360 degree. So relation between degree and radian is 2 pi is equal to, that is since pi is equal to 180 degree. This is the relation between radian and degree measure. This is pi radian, not degree. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This is the relation. Now example number 1, or convert, suppose this is a degree and convert it into radian. So degree, suppose 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree. Since 180 degree is equal to pi radian, so 0 degree is equal to 0 radian. 30 degree is equal to, since 180 degree is equal to pi radian, so 30 degree is equal to pi into 30 by 180. कट कर दें 6, so pi by 6. Similarly, when degree is 45 degree, so pi by 180 into 45. अब कैंसिल कर लोगे, सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे. pi by 4, सेम 60 डिग्री, pi by 3, सेम pi by 2, 90 pi by 2, 180 pi एंड 362 pi. आप निकाल लोगे इस रिलेशन से, सबको चेंज कर लोगे. तो अब आप लोग एंगल जो है वो रेडियन में बोलेंगे, नॉट डिग्री. अब 30 डिग्री है, उसको पाई बाय 6 बोलना है. 60 डिग्री पाई बाय 3, तो आप एंगल को लिखेंगे रेडियन के फॉर्म में, क्योंकि फार्मूला थीटा इज इक्वल टू एल बाई आर, वेयर एंगल थीटा इन रेडियन फॉर्म. ओके, सो नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 1. Example number 1. Example 1 is convert this into radian measure. Radian measure में convert करनी है. Example number 1. 40 degree and 20 minute. Convert it into radian measure. That is in terms of pi. So first convert in whole into degree measure. So this equal to 40 degree, this 20 minute, convert it into degree. So this can retain 40 degree plus 20 minute, or this can retain 40 degree 20 by 60. ये whole angle आ गया, आप इससे confuse कर सकते हो. So this can retain 40 degree plus 20 minute and 20 minute convert into degree. So this can retain 20 by 60, इस 20 मिनट को हम कन्वर्ट कर दिए डिग्री के फॉर्म में, सो डिवाइडेड बाई 60 बिकॉज 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट, सिंस 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट, तो 20 मिनट इक्वल टू कन्वर्ट कर देंगे डिग्री में, डिवाइड बाई 20, सो दिस ऑल्सो इन डिग्री, ये भी फॉर्म आ गया डिग्री, सो 40 प्लस दिस इज कैंसिल, दैट इज 1/3 डिग्री, नाउ सिंप्लीफाई, सो 121/3 डिग्री, ये मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 120 प्लस 1, सो 121/3 डिग्री, सो टोटल कन्वर्ट हो गया डिग्री, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू रेडियन फॉर्म, सो सिंस 180 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन, 180 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन, therefore 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, so what is your angle? 121/3 degree, so use unitary method, is equal to pi by 180 into 121/3, now simplify it, this equal to 121 pi by 180 into 3, 540 रेडियन, तो आप डिग्री से कन्वर्ट कर लोगे रेडियन के फॉर्म में, यदि मिनट में है तो उसको पहले डिग्री में कन्वर्ट कर लें, फिर दैट चेंज इनटू दिस फॉर्म। तो आप एग्जांपल नंबर 2, 3 आप इधर ट्राई करेंगे। सो आप ये एक्सरसाइज 3.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लगाएंगे। होमवर्क इज एक्सरसाइज 3.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज होमवर्क। आप क्वेश्चन 1 लगा लोगे। ओके।